Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the FSR quality in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by opening it from here in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and opening settings. Here select graphics and scroll down. In the graphics section look for FSR quality. Currently I have it turned off. You can go to as high as native and native AA, ultra quality, quality, balanced, performance and ultra performance. As you can see, the quality visibly drops with each change. I will keep it turned off. Once you make your choice, simply hit apply. Then close the menu and return to the game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.